55 new this morning. Some good Samaritans stepped up to help out an officer on a burglary call in Ohio, and the whole incident was caught on camera as the officer was checking out the scene. The suspect started assaulting him, and that's when two people came to the officer's rescue, helping him get the suspect into handcuffs. Look at that video.
Continued for several seconds, almost 30 seconds, until two citizens of Franklin saw the officer was in trouble and needed help, and approached and helped get him under control and get him handcuffed. So we're real proud of those two citizens for, having our backs when we're in our time of need.
This morning, the suspect is facing charges of burglary, assault on a police officer, and obstructing justice. A police officer in Ohio needed a little protection after he got into a tussle with a suspect. Saturday, the officer was responding to a burglary when he came up on the suspects. Then fists started flying, as you see there. The officer and the suspect wrestled for a short while before two men jumped in to help get that suspect under control. That man had to go to the hospital for a 72-hour evaluation. He'll be booked on several charges, including assault on an officer, once he's released there.